Hey everyone, this is Eric Miller. Welcome to the Financial Beast channel. Okay, today I'm going to give you a checkup from the neck up. In today's video, here's what we're going to talk about. I want you to do this. I want you to stop asking for permission. This is what we're going to talk about in this video. So I want you to really look at this. Stop asking for permission. Now look, when you first decided that you wanted to own your own practice, did you ask for permission to do so? Did you go around and ask if it was okay from all the local competitors if you put your practice right there? Of course you didn't. But what ends up happening along the way is that you start really depending upon the agreement of others for you to do certain things. And look, there's no way that you can really scale a business and have a really coordinated and competent team or an expansive practice that's profitable and sustainable and transferable if you don't have a team. Okay, so I'm trying to appeal to your kind of rebel sense, but I also want to make sure you guys don't forget that you do need your people. You got to treat them well. But I need you to stop asking for permission all the time. And I see this a lot when it comes to your personal finances. And I see that you start asking for permission from your CPAs, from your current advisors, from your office managers, from all of these different people for you to do things that are going to not only help them in the long run, but are obviously going to help you. I'll give you a very simple example of this. So one of the things that we tell practice owners to do is that I need you to start incorporating an expense from the business to your household of 10%, kind of like a management fee, so that you can use that money to create other income sources in your household. So we're creating an expense in the business that is for the benefit of the parent company, but it also forces in a higher necessity of income and demand of income for the business, so that's good for the business. All right, and it's very simple. I mean, you've been told how many times that you should take 10% of whatever you make and set it aside. That's the simple concept that we're using. Oh my God, I can't tell you how many times that we tell practice owners to do that, and they go to their parents, they go to their staff, they go to their office managers, they go to their CPAs, and they look for agreement. Hey, can I do this? Is this okay? And I'm like, what are you doing? Like, this is for you, all right? You put all the hard work and effort to establish this business. You take all the risk in this business. All the mortgage notes have your names on them. If you get sued, guess what? Who are they coming after? You and your personal assets. Stop asking for permission to do constructive financial actions that are going to not only help you, but are going to be beneficial for the business. All right? So look, anytime that you decide to do something that is going to be disruptive, so to speak, and when I say disruptive in a good way, but it is going to change things a little bit short term. So, if you hire an associate, or you decide to expand your practice, or you decide to, get a financial plan that is going to benefit you personally in the long run and get you financially independent, not in 30 years, in 7 to 10 years. All these things that you do to expand outward are going to be met with disagreement. They're going to be met with resistance. They're going to be met with criticism. Stop asking for permission. If you deep down know that these things are good, if they are beneficial to not just you, but to your community, to your patients, to your staff in the long run, then who cares what everyone else thinks? I want you to remember the day that you decided to be an owner, okay? Remember that day. I'm sure that it was met with a lot of, I don't know, that's dangerous. Who knows what can happen? You're going to over leverage yourself, and look at where you're at right now. All right. So stop asking for permission to do things financially that are going to be beneficial for you, and you will see the results in the long run. Okay. I hope that helped. I'll see you on the next video.
Awesome. That was great.
Really